Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the main menu in Google Gemini and show you how to show and hide it depending on whether or not you want it visible. So if you go to gemini.google.com, you'll have to click on a few boxes and make sure that you're signed in. But when you get to the Gemini prompt, on the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. On the main menu, there's a new chat button. It's not active right now because I don't have an active chat going on where I would create a new chat. The new chat would simply be entering a prompt. Recent prompts that I've had, a help menu. You can view your activity and change some settings. We'll go over what those individual features are in a separate video, but if you don't want to view your main menu, just click on the little three-line menu up here where it says Collapse Menu, and it will shrink to the side.